What is going on, guys? Alright, we're gonna see how much we can get done today. Gonna go fix that leak that's on my headers. I think it's my headers, I really hope so. Hope it's not anything else. Can't believe my car hit 19-20 pounds of boost 3 times while racing. That was not safe. I don't know how my car didn't blow up or anything. This cold start is about to sound so bad. Oh, my car's gonna start idling all funky right now too with this cold start. Because of this exhaust leak or boost leak, whichever one you want to call it. Take this to my friend's shop. We're gonna put it up on the lift, figure out where the leak is underneath it, and then I'm gonna take that piping off that has a hole in it on my intercooler piping, and I'm gonna go get that thing welded too. This exhaust leak sounds like a helicopter. So bad, bro. One thing I can say is that this transmission felt so good last night banging gears. I actually do feel the difference between the HR and the VHR trans. I don't know, this one just feels a lot smoother when you shift. I mean, it is new too, but still, it just like felt so smooth going into every gear. Went in like butter. We made it to Palm Springs. On my way to the shop now. Kind of nervous to find out what's wrong with my car, honestly. Like one thing after the other. Like, dude, last week spent like 3K on it, then right before that spent a little over 1,000 on it. Dude, it's just like a money pit, but it's all good. It's all worth it to me. This thing keeps me happy and I have fun with it. Yeah, it's just that at least. I just picked up the Z from my homie shop. When I turned it on right now, it was idling perfect. When I had taken it last time and I would start it from a cold start, the RPM would drop and the car would shut off. That's because of the big boost leak that I had from the gasket being blown. But that's what we fixed. We put JB Weld on the intercooler piping, and then we put in a new crusher gasket in between where the header is and like where your test pipe would go. And I ordered some new metal gaskets from Z-Speed that are a lot better, but I couldn't find any out here. So I got those. I'm gonna put those in next week just so I don't run into another exhaust leak. And I'm gonna order new V-bands too, because 2 of my V-bands are stripped. And then I'll put those in next week too. Just trying to get everything ready before I go get tuned so we don't run into any little issues on the dyno. Other than that, I think the Z's ready. Sounds good. No exhaust leak anymore. Sounds fresh. I hear something small actually. Yeah, I still hear it. Huh. It's weird. That's how it started last night, like a little ticking noise from the leak from the headers. I always like driving next to a curb because then you can hear every little noise that your car is making. Shit, a cop. There he goes. Oh, yes. So sketchy. I don't have a hood because I ordered one. It didn't come in for like a month and a half. So I got my refund back. Was looking for one, couldn't find one. 3 weeks later go by, and then finally everyone has this hood in stock now from VIS. I don't know when I'm gonna get one now. This is a good street to do a pull on actually. There's always cops here, but the look of it here, I don't see any cops. So we'll do a pull. Gotta keep my eye on that boost gauge there because don't want to see 20 pounds again. All right, right here, we'll do a second gear pull. 10 pounds of boost, second gear, third gear. Right when I went into fourth gear, it went straight to 21 pounds. So I let off. When it goes to like 20 pounds, oh my God, it feels amazing. I wish I could be on 20 pounds. It feels so good. Oh shit, I didn't take a look at my AFR gauge. I'm supposed to look at that and make sure it's not leaning out. So I'm gonna have to do one more pull. Hard to tell when you do a quick pull like that. Usually fourth gear is like the best gear because it's so long. Second gear is so fast. But my AFR was at 11.9. Usually it's been at like 12.5, 13.5 at full throttle. I don't want to keep doing pulls after pulls. So loud. Alright, we'll do another quick one, I think. Alright, that's enough for now. Gotta baby this thing until I get it tuned just to make sure it's good. This lady shakes her head with a smile. She knows she likes it. Don't mind my slow gear banging right now too. I was just testing it out. That's not how slow I actually bang my gears. I had to keep my eye on the AFR gauge, on the boost gauge, while looking at my RPMs, just so I can shift at the right time. To end off the video, I'm gonna take you guys up the mountain so you guys can enjoy the turbo sounds. Because I know you guys like hearing the turbo sounds, so I'm gonna go through the mountains where it echoes and it sounds good. For them to go up a little bit more. This thing handles so good. I forgot how good it handles. The Megan Thompson's makes it a little weird because it feels like you're floating with those fat tires. But man, if I had some Michelin's, all right, this car. Sorry guys, I'm trying to give you some good noises, but these cars are going so slow. That's it for this video, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching, subscribing, liking. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below. See you guys later.